Designing mechanisms presents many unique challenges across many different industries, from material handling, production lines, and industrial machinery to transportation vehicles, power tools, and other consumer products. Finding and selecting a tool that can address all of these needs can be a daunting task. This buyer's guide goes through the key aspects of mechanism design and shows why SolidWorks is the tool of choice for thousands of companies around the world to tackle complex design challenges and get their products to market faster. As you start designing a mechanism, it's important to be able to quickly connect and adjust components. SolidWorks uses simple drag-and-drop techniques to assemble blocks or individual sketch entities that can snap together automatically. You can manage frequently used blocks as library items for easy reuse. With a wide array of advanced connections available for sketches or solid parts, it's incredibly easy to verify mechanism operation for gears, belts, and chains. Operation can be verified with simple dynamic drag interaction, up to full high-accuracy physical simulation with SolidWorks Motion. Sketch mechanisms can be used as the basis to build up solid models for the final design. This greatly reduces the time and effort to create the best mechanism for your needs and significantly shortens the design phase. No mechanism design is complete without stock items such as motors, actuators, and bearings. 3D Content Central provides access to a wealth of stock and custom items from thousands of suppliers and more than 800,000 registered users. You can simply drag and drop these items into your design. SolidWorks Intelligent Feature Technology, or SWIFT, interprets your design intent for operations such as how components are assembled, creating common features like keyways and lock rings, or adding the fasteners needed to mount equipment. Stock items or equipment in your company can also be stored in design libraries that are accessible to all designers. SolidWorks SWIFT, 3D Content Central, and design libraries ensure accuracy, fit, and consistency, taking the effort out of detailing designs. Finding the right size motors to drive equipment or verifying that structures can withstand operational loads are critical elements in designing efficiently and ensuring that machines will operate correctly over their lifespan. Relying on physical testing creates an iterative process that can be time-consuming and expensive. With SolidWorks Motion and SolidWorks Simulation, you can verify your design's functionality before manufacture with significant savings in both cost and time. By taking into account real-world physics, SolidWorks Motion can accurately calculate motor torque and actuator loads. Whether using a sketch component or the full 3D model, it's easy to check velocity, acceleration, and many other criteria. With SolidWorks Simulation, you can check the strength of your design components for many types of environments. From static strength and motion-based loads to vibration concerns or even understanding the performance of a rubber seal, SolidWorks Simulation enables you to quickly validate and improve performance. More importantly, you can do all this before you build it, greatly reducing development timelines and costly design changes. With more complex systems, like those used in production lines, machine sequencing and reducing cycle times are critical design factors. SolidWorks Event-Based Motion Simulation makes refining event sequences and verifying correct operation incredibly easy. With a workflow-style interface, you can quickly build up operational steps and dependencies based on sensors, previous steps, or timing to reflect real machine operation. Changes to a specific operation are automatically propagated to the following dependent steps, making updates fast and accurate. With support for motor controller-driven simulation via National Instruments LabVIEW or Rockwell Automation's Motion Analyzer, you can verify the controller logic interaction with a real mechanism operation ahead of production. No matter how well you design a mechanism, people need to understand its function and how to interact with it and maintain it, or the effort is wasted. To convey operation to management, sales, or marketing groups, delivering high-quality animations is key, and that's incredibly easy and realistic when you use Motion and PhotoView 360. For interactive design reviews, eDrawings lets you easily drill down into an assembly, view bills of materials, and it even supports embedded motion and simulation results in a very compact file. With the ability to mark up the design or optionally measure dimensions, it can be used to capture feedback for ECOs as well as vendor quotes. Selecting the right tool to meet your mechanism design needs is no easy task. This buyer's guide highlights many important considerations when you're looking for quick and efficient design. We hope you have found it a valuable resource. For more information on how SolidWorks can help you overcome your mechanism product design challenges, please contact your nearest reseller or visit the SolidWorks website.